Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make almond fudge. This delightful treat comes together with just a few simple ingredients. First, ensure you have 3 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1 teaspoon of almond extract. Don't forget 3/4 of a cup of your favorite sliced or chopped almonds to add that perfect nutty crunch. Let's get started on this easy, delicious recipe. Now let's get our fudge base ready. Begin by lining an 8-inch square pan with parchment paper, leaving some overhang for easy removal. In a medium saucepan, combine your 3 cups of chocolate chips and the entire 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Gently melt this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously until it's smooth and fully combined. If you prefer, you can also melt it in a microwave-safe bowl, stirring every 30 seconds until creamy. Once your chocolate and condensed milk are beautifully melted and smooth, remove the saucepan from the heat. This is where the magic happens. Stir in 1 full teaspoon of almond extract to infuse that wonderful flavor. Then, quickly fold in your 3/4 of a cup of sliced or chopped almonds. Remember to work swiftly here, as the fudge will start to thicken and set quite fast. Ensure the almonds are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Finally, it's time to set your delicious almond fudge. Pour the warm mixture into your parchment-lined pan, spreading it evenly with a spatula to create a smooth top. Once it's all in the pan, transfer it to the refrigerator. Let it chill for a minimum of 2 to 3 hours, or until it's completely firm. After it's set, lift the fudge out using the parchment paper, cut it into delightful 1-inch squares, and enjoy your homemade almond fudge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.